Hey, what's up, guys? It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. Hope you guys are enjoying your week. Guys, let's get right into it. This is a video I want to do. I want to do because I really want people to understand, what's going on. I want people to get out of those emotion buys. I want people to get out of doing it the retail way. I want people to be able to move with the whales. I want you to see what the whales are doing, and I want you to capitalize off of it like they do. Okay. So I think this article was great, especially in this timing, especially at this moment. If you look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is at we had 18 by 18,155. We did have a dip. We had our all-time high. We had this dip. All right. We're playing at between 17.8 and 18.5. All right. So I want you guys, I don't want to do too much on the technical. This article is a little lengthy. So I don't want to make the video too long. But so I'm gonna get right into it. But I want you guys to pay attention to what is going on. Okay. Like look at the rally we had. Look what happened during Thanksgiving, and then look what happened immediately after. Okay. And then you see what's going on again. So I want you guys to see exactly what's going on. I want you to capitalize. Don't be a fool. I'm gonna drink some water and then we're gonna get right into it, baby. Like, share, and subscribe. While I drink this water, like the video. All right, let's go. So it says Bitcoin whales buy low, sell high. Retail investors chase rallies. And this is the data to prove it. The newly data from the crypto exchange OKEX gives one possible explanation of how larger holders of Bitcoin or whales were able to influence prices as Bitcoin rallied to a new all-time high in November. Now, during that Bitcoin run up, institutions and whales were able to buy dips and oftentimes sell when prices went up. That left the majority of the retail investors scrambling to chase the rally, according to a newly released OKEX data report. Now, trading data of the Bitcoin tether pair on OKEX platform between August and November showed that during the November Bitcoin rally, whales such as institutional investors and sizable holdings and potentially institutions were taking profits by selling their Bitcoin. You see, when the rally was going up, they were selling. The average guy was in there buying. Oh, it's going up. Everybody, man, we getting all kind of people coming into Crypto Black. We're getting all kind of people emailing me and messaging me and everything like that. And I'm just like, yo, you should have bought when it was much lower. Right now, we're selling. All right. So it says size and potentially, what's it? Where was that? I lost my mind. During the same month, smaller size traders such as retail investors continue buying as they did in September and October, despite higher prices in the oldest cryptocurrency, according to the report compiled by OKEX and blockchain data from Calco. So it says, shown right here, you guys can see here, they were anybody that bought from zero. So August is pretty much down. So you see right here, during the rally, you see the retail investor was buying. So in September, they were selling 10 or more BTC. They were selling here 5 to 10 BTC. They were selling half a Bitcoin and 2 BTC. They were selling, but everybody was buying smaller Bitcoin under half a Bitcoin. It was up. As you can see in October, same thing. The whales actually, they was buying the 10 BTC, but you can see here they was these here was selling. Okay. And the November rally, look what's going on. You see, in the November rally, it was running up. So in November, we was running up. We was running up in November. You can just write this is from November. Where we at? We're at November right here. So we're right here in November. So as this rally was going, they were selling. And if you guys see here, retail was buying it up, and they were selling, making profits. And I'll guarantee you guys, they was pushing when the price pushed down. When the retail started selling a little bit, they pushed this price down. They was buying all this here. And look what happened. After that, they bought all that here and it reached all-time high after that. You know, so I mean, you guys have to be careful. You got to understand and move how the wells move. You know, that's why I buy those dips, and I'm smiling and chilling on my way back up. All right. So notably, during the end of November, as Bitcoin price was approaching its new all-time high, a look at day-by-day trading activity of different groups of users on OKEX indicate that wells and institutions bought the Thanksgiving price dip. While retail and other smaller traders panic sold their Bitcoin during that small market crash on November 26th. So I keep saying, like I said, in famous words of French Montana, don't panic. All right. So it says here, you guys can see here. So this is just from those days that Thanksgiving rally. So while people were selling, they were actually buying during that time. All right. It was buying during that time. All right. November 30th, totally different versus Thanksgiving Day. They were buying those dips, guys. While everybody was selling like crazy, they was buying these dips. They sold off, push the price down. Everybody else starts selling, and then they start buying. All right. And then once you guys start buying again, they start selling. All right. And then when everybody going crazy buying it up, they just stay neutral. So you guys have to understand what these guys are doing. So it says, according to the report, the data indicated that while large Bitcoin holders are in the business of buying low and selling high, they are necessarily interested in buying Bitcoin to rallies the way retail investors have been. Ultimately, whales seek to drive the market, shake out retail traders in panic, and capitalize on opportunities to buy relatively cheap coins. Like this, shake you out, the price go up. They'll wick down here, get the momentum going, and then you see this heavy sell pressure down here, and they was already selling. They was already selling up here, and then they pushed the price down. The retail just sold, panic sold, and they bought these dips all the way down here. They bought these dips right down here, and then the price drove right back up. Retail got back in, and they dumped on y'all asses. So that's just how it goes, man. So it says, so let's go. So it's ultimately whales seek to drive the market, shake out the retail traders. They're a different take. Yet data from another crypto analysis firm, Crypto Currencies, has a slightly different take. Its view is that throughout 2020, Bitcoin whales have almost never missed a buy dip opportunity. One Crypto Currencies conclusion is the large size traders have prevented Bitcoin's prevented Bitcoin's price from crashing further and instead drove each price rally, potentially making profits by selling Bitcoin at higher prices. I'm telling you right now, when people tell me, oh, Bitcoin gonna crash like it did in 2018, I'm telling them the same exact thing, and this here is proving my point. It's different this time. It is different this time because you have smart money running the game here. That's what happened. In 2018, retail drove it. Retail drove it. Emotions drove it. Weak hands drove it. So when people start selling, everybody starts selling. All right. And what happened is people try to pass it off to the large institutions. The large institutions said, I don't want it. We ain't ready yet. Now it's different. Large institutions, and they're just like, oh yeah, we in the game now. We in the game. We know what we want. And they've been accumulating during our whole bear market for years. They've been accumulating. And now retail's are up and the bear and the bulls and all the institutions are saying, yep, give it to me, give it to me. Before they said, I don't want it. Drop the ball. Market crash. Then they're like, thank you. I'll take that. I appreciate it. All right. So guys, you got to pay attention to this here. Okay. And you guys see right here, retail investors, they up here. The whales, they buying this dip. They're buying this damn dip right here. They're buying this dip. All right. Retail's down here. So when the price is up, retail's down here. They're buying it up. And then when it drop, whales is right there to catch it. Give me that, give me that, give me that. They'll push that price up, and then retail come right back when it's all the way back up here, and they'll buy it. And that's the same people in my DM asking about Bitcoin. They want to buy up here instead of buying down here. All right, that's not how it works. You want to buy, or should I say, that's you want to buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. You don't want to do the opposite. That's not how you make money. All right. So new institutions turning whales into small fish. These appears to be two types of institutions in the crypto space in 2020. Those crypto natives, including crypto coin firms and family offices, and those who are from the traditional financial markets such as MicroStrategy or Mass Mutual. And we covered that story yesterday about Mass Mutual. So it said the latter group is unlikely to be the cause of each price dip by intentionally selling their Bitcoin in order to cause a market crash, according to analysts who spoke with CoinDesk. Now, major institutions have not disclosed selling positions that would indicate this. John Todaro told CoinDesk in an email response, citing MicroStrategy and Grayscale are examples. Both companies have not been on the sell side of Bitcoin. Now, Todaro added that although institutional money has been part of the reasons for this year's rally, it does not explain recent price gains because institutions often trade Bitcoin through over-the-counter firms, which are designed to have minimal price impact on the market. Yep, because it's not on the actual exchanges. All right. So it says over-the-counter desks have increased two-way markets as more counterparties are onboarded, allowing them to match buyers and sellers more directly to have less impact on markets. Todaro said small institutions or whales though may be less reliant on over-the-counter desks and more likely to utilize exchanges, even placing large market orders that could make a larger immediate impact on price. And as more large institutions enter the Bitcoin market, small institutions and whales are increasingly becoming smaller market players, Todaro said. So if the whales becoming small, what do you think you are, the regular retail guy? As the price keep going up. So it says, as well as traditional institutions are likely to deliberately impact the market because they are buying the narrative that Bitcoin is digital gold, said Matthew Hugan, chief investment officer of Bitwise Asset Management. Therefore, it's unlikely that this new class of Bitcoin investors would sell into crypto crashes. They don't sell into dips because they don't have anything to sell, and because they feel they need to establish a position in the market given the macro conditions of significant upside potential still left in the crypto, Hogan said. So guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. Hope you guys can see what I say when I say stack them sats and chill, when I say buy the dips, when I say, guys, don't just follow the rally. This is a good opportunity. And I use them, examples of, hey, Macy's got a 30% off or 40% off sale. I'm going to go buy. I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to buy something. I'm going to go purchase something that I've been wanting to get. And I hope you guys understand what this is all about. When I say that, you've seen it with your own two eyes. We went over charts. We went over examples of this stuff here. I hope you guys took this in. Guys, if you want to make money off this stuff and make a living off of it, you want to buy the dips. You want to sell high, buy low. Something like this happened. Guess what I was doing? I was buying this up. I had my support and resistance lines. I said, okay, cool. If I buy this here, I buy it here, I buy it here. Guess what? I wicked up, and then guess what I was selling? I was selling up here, right up here. I was selling up here, all-time highs. I know it's not gonna go explode, when it reaches all-time high. It's just not gonna happen. You're gonna have that resistance. So sell. I already sold. Sit for a little bit, wait for more action to happen. Guess what? It's dipping down here. Guess when I buy? Buy here, buy here, got buy orders here, buy orders here. That's how you want to do it. That's how you want to position yourself. Buy low, sell high. And guess what happens? When you go back up here again, guess where I'll be selling? I'll be selling here. So the stuff that I bought here and here, I'm selling here, 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 here. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys are able to see that here. If you guys want to learn about support and resistance, more of that there, I suggest you take our course, the Crypto Black Beginners course. over on our website, www.cryptoblack.net. But guys, enjoy your weekend. Hope you guys take some information out of this. Hope you guys learn something from this video here. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. And if you guys want to be amongst a bunch of other great investors, I highly suggest you guys join the DCG group and understand the mastermind report as well. And the links are below in the description box, guys. 2021 is going to be a great year for us, for all of us, and that's investing. But it's going to be even a greater year for people that's actually tuned in, doing this on a regular basis, and understand the plays, understand cycles, fundamentals, and technicals, and putting everything all together. All right, and that's what we're going to do. That's what we want to do for you. Like I said, holla at us, join us, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your family, enjoy the festivities out here during the holidays. But guys, stay safe, be safe, and share the love, baby. But this is your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.